Well, CoastLife, we know that we've got so many people in our area that love to give back to some amazing causes, and that's why we're excited to introduce you to, we've got Michael DeGangi and Sarah Carter joining us here on the CoastLife couch with the Sunrise Rotary Club. And let's start with what you guys do at the Sunrise Rotary Club, because if you remember last week, we were also joined by some club members to talk about the Wizards game, so you guys cover a lot of ground. Why cover so much ground, and where does the money go from these fundraisers that you guys put on?
Well, this fundraiser, of course, is our bike run. And the bike run, we're emphasizing our Can Do Playground.
Yes.
And the Can Do Playground is a playground which is going to be funded by the Sussex County Trust and 7 Rotary clubs in Sussex County. And we're pulling our funds together. The playground is about an $850,000 playground.
Yeah.
It's going to be at Hudson Park, and it's in Milton. And the playground has 4 staging areas for kids to play. One staging area is 2 to 5, and another staging area is 5 to 12. But then there's a special sensory area for kids with abilities that they could use, and there's like tactile sensing, there's music, there's a whole bunch of things that they can do, and it's in a quiet space within the playground. So it's a very specialized playground for Sussex County, and it's very well needed down here.
I mean, the Can Do Playground itself, to have one space where everybody feels included, everybody feels welcome, but parents don't necessarily have to worry about maybe, you know, the bigger kids taking over the same play space as the little kids, because you just can't always play on the same level sometimes. But for everybody to have a place to gather where everyone's safe and welcome, I think is incredible. So the bike run is coming up. What do people need to know if they want to get involved?
Yeah, so what people need to know is they really made it so that it's inclusive of everybody, right? So you have 100K, 50K, 25K, that's 62, 30, 15 miles. It starts at the Milton Fire Department.
Nice.
One of the pauses is at the Ellendale Fire Department for the longer run. And then we come back and party at Irish Eyes, which is one of our sponsors. Like, they have been great to us. And yeah, we do a lot more than the Can Do Playground. So he mentioned that, and I love that because it's, again, kids of all abilities, not just all ages, all abilities. So you have a wheelchair, you have a playground you can go to.
That's awesome.
And feel included. Like, but we also do backpacks. We help support local and bigger nonprofits. So food banks, Harry K Foundation. Harry K is part of our club, and you know, we like to support when we can. We have a bunch of programs that we really love to support, small things. We have people come to our club all the time and present, and they'll ask for a certain need. And so this gives us the ability to be able to do that.
I mean, it happens every November, sort of launches us into the holiday season. People are thinking about food. People are also thinking about food insecurity, which affects, I mean, a lot more people, I think, than most of us realize. And just how many people that like the Food Bank of Delaware feeds, and you guys help team up with the Food Bank of Delaware. So you guys are basically just kind of the network of communicators that kind of makes all of this so incredible.
For our area. And so, the bike ride is great. We get to see people. We have people that come from up north to come to this bike ride. You know, I think because it's really easy to win a medal when you're riding your bike on flat ground. You know,
we have a lot of cyclists in Delaware, and they take their cycling duties very seriously. And so you might as well have a great one that you can ride your bike, get some exercise in.
And it's supposed to be beautiful.
I know. We've been so lucky with our weekend events lately.
It's supposed to be so beautiful this weekend and perfect for a bike ride in the 60s. So I'm looking forward to it.
It's going to be a lot of fun.
So folks do need a little bit more information, maybe either on this, the bike ride, or anything else that you guys are doing, other events that you have going on. Where should they go to get more information or tickets when they need to buy them?
They can go to our Facebook, again, Rehoboth Sunrise Rotary. And then we do have that event posted on there and the registration. If not, if you don't get time to go to the website to register that way, just show up 30 minutes early for whichever ride you want to do. Again, they're tapered by, I don't think I said it, but they're tapered by every hour. So we're starting at 8 and then
go from there, then
go
9,
on.
and then 10. Perfect.
So just show up a half hour early, sign up, and we'll take you.
Easy as that.
Yep.
Well, Michael, Sarah, thank you guys so much for coming in today and for what you guys
great.
do, of course, with the Sunrise Rotary Club and really all that you do for our community. It really is wonderful the way that you guys give back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course.
All right.
We do have some more Coast Life to get to, more fun coming your way. Have you ever thought about a new career in real estate? Well, we might have some answers to your questions when we get back.